Carey up to introduce our recorded musical artist that we have, and then we'll go from there.
Right on.
Hi, my name is Carey Wallace. I'm the board chair of Whole Washington. I'm a nurse by background. I was not planning to speak today, but my uncle died 2 days ago, and I wanted to tell his story. So I'm going to try to get through it.
Okay.
My uncle is a communications professor on the East Coast. He's loved teaching folks how to do communications and be the best selves in their work environments. And his voice was really his power. He had colon cancer about 6 or 7 years ago. It was in remission. And then his insurance company decided they didn't want to pay for his medications anymore. That was keeping his cancer at bay. So, as one would expect, his cancer came back. And it came back in his colon, and it came back in his lungs, and it came back as a tumor in his throat. He lost his voice box. He couldn't speak. As a communications professor on the East Coast, he lost his voice. And then because he couldn't afford to take the meds, he couldn't afford to go without insurance, he continued to work. As his body was riddled with cancer, he taught classes at a whisper to his students because he couldn't afford to not work. That's the healthcare insurance industry that we're putting up with today. My uncle died 2 days ago because his insurance company decided to stop paying for his medications, and I carry him with me today. And I hope that today has been inspirational for folks to continue in this fight because it's exhausting. Every corner, every family has a story like mine. Every family has felt what I'm feeling today, and I'm sorry, but every family, no family should have to deal with this today in this country at all. We should not be forced to pay with our lives for insurance. We should not be forced to sit down and talk to our families about, can I stop going to work with my cancer? It's totally fucked up. And I'm tired of it. So I hope that you'll join us today in just lighting a fire, those around you, telling people we do not have to deal with this anymore. We can demand better, and we will continue to demand better. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was a powerful story. And that grounds us in why we are here today.
Yeah.